This is a HP all-in-one PC. See, this is HP all-in-one PC. All system inside the PC, screen and all. The problem is no power on. We connect DC power supply here. We on the when we on, it's taken 0.185187 amp, and here is the power switch. When we power switch the system, this is not powered on. Let's open and check what happened. Our all-in-one board. In this board there is a 3V 5V section IC. There is a 3V 5V section IC. This is a board number DAN91GMB6D0 Rev1 D revision वाला है. यहाँ पे ये this IC is going to heat so much heat when we connect this power supply. We connect this power supply already connected, and on this system same ampere is taken 190 180, and this IC is taking too much hot, very hot. See, there is, if we are see over there, there is this is a IC. This is a 3V 5V IC, and when I put some IP, they soak fastly, very heating. This IC is very heating, and this IC is short. We have to replace this IC, and let's check what happened. Chalu kar. This is our all-in-one motherboard. All-in-one motherboard. This two IC. This is a 3V 5V section of this IC. This board. This 5V section is taken. This ohms. This ohms is okay, but this 3V section, there is a shorting in 3V section. 3V coil is taken 0.001 amp. 0.0010. This is a low impedance of coil of this coil. There is also the BIOS. This is the BIOS of this motherboard. This is the BIOS of this motherboard. BIOS pin number 8. BIOS pin number 8 is also low impedance. There is pin number 8 also low impedance. This is a situation is faulty CPU. In most of all, faulty CPU is on this situation. We check. This is the 1V prime. This is a 1V prime coil. This is a 1V for CPU section. This 1V coil is also shorted to the ground, and we open this coil. This shorting is outside of this board. Outside means CPU. There is a CPU shorting. IO is also okay. IO is also burn mark here, but CPU is shorted to the ground, and this board is due to CPU shorting. This board is not repairable. This all-in-one is not repairable. Before we checking this board taken 195 198 amp, and 3V 5V IC is heating too much. There is a 3V 5V IC heating too much, but this IC is heating because of 3V section is short. 3V section is shorted to the ground, and 3V going into the CPU, and 1V also shorting. The CPU is faulty. Due to CPU faulty, we have not replaced this CPU because quotation is going high, and this board is not repairable. I hope you learned something. Thank you.